Ever notice how we tend to remember that one piece of negative feedback out of 10 compliments? Or how that one cheat meal makes us feel like we've ruined a whole week of healthy eating? That is what social scientists call negativity bias. A phenomenon where humans tend to pay more attention to negative events, information, or experiences than positive ones. A little something we've inherited from our ancestors, because in prehistoric times, being more sensitive to potential threats or negative experiences could mean the difference between life and death. In today's reality, neuroscientists have found evidence for negativity bias in the brain. For example, the amygdala, a brain structure associated with emotion, reacts more strongly to negative stimuli than to positive ones. Furthermore, negative experiences tend to produce more neural activity than equivalent positive experiences. These findings suggest that the brain still has a built-in bias toward negativity. How does this concept relate to someone trying to improve health and wellness? When people decide to make lifestyle changes, they often tackle multiple areas at once, like exercise, nutrition, and stress management. The issue here is that it's difficult to make sweeping changes simultaneously, and if they don't succeed in every single area, the negativity bias may kick in. Even if there are significant improvements in several areas, a single perceived failure can overshadow these successes due to the brain's tendency to focus more on negative outcomes. This can demotivate individuals and make them feel as if they failed entirely, further discouraging continued efforts. To complicate matters a bit more, in our modern society there's this idea that health is all about the numbers on the scale. As if that little machine holds the ultimate truth of our well-being. This can add to our feeling of failure if the weight isn't shifting as fast as we'd like, even if we're making fantastic strides in other areas of our health. It's like we're overlooking a beautiful garden and obsessing about one wilting plant. Left unchecked, the power of negativity biases in fitness can lead to a more dangerous psychological phenomenon: learned hopelessness. The term was coined by psychologists Martin Seligman and Stephen Mayer in the 1960s. In their experiments with dogs, they observed that animals repeatedly exposed to an inescapable aversive event, such as an electric shock, would eventually stop trying to avoid the event even when escape was possible. These dogs behaved as if they had learned to be helpless. The concept of learned helplessness has been extended to humans and in fitness. The perception of multiple failures, guided by negativity biases, can lead to learned helplessness, where individuals believe that no matter what they do, they can't succeed in improving their health. This perception can stifle motivation in efforts to change, creating a self-perpetuating cycle of defeat. So, how do we keep these tricky brain habits from derailing our fitness journey? Here are some strategies. Break it down. Don't try to conquer the world in one day. Break your goals into small, achievable steps. This can help mitigate the impact of negativity bias by allowing more victories along the way. A good rule of thumb is to work on one single goal every 2 to 4 weeks. Once that goal has been met, add a new one. You can also check our video on setting smart goal setting for your fitness success. Practice self-back talk. This is all about challenging our negative self-talk, which can be a major roadblock. It works like this. Recognize the negative statement, provide evidence that it's not true, and add a positive statement. Let's say you think, "I am not good at exercising. I never get it right and feel like I am just making a fool of myself." Counter it with evidence like, "Last time I went for a run I got a really good night's sleep and woke up feeling good." Then, follow up with a positive statement, "I am getting healthier. Some exercise is always better than none, and I am thankful I did that for me." Focus on non-scale victories. Remind yourself that health is not just about the number on the scale. It's strength, energy, flexibility, mental well-being, and so much more. Celebrating these non-scale victories can help shift your focus from weight and highlight your real progress. Understanding our mind's tendencies like negativity bias and learned helplessness can be powerful tools on our journey to better health. They help us stay realistic, resilient, and keep moving forward. After all, progress is progress, no matter how small. That's a wrap for today, folks. Keep moving, stay positive, and remember to celebrate every step you take on your health journey. And remember, it's always about progress over perfection. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you know someone who could benefit from our video, please do share this video with them. Let's spread the positive vibes. And if you want more fitness inspiration and advice, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for notifications.